Special Operations Group 5, Philippine Air Force, and the Naval Forces Southern Luzon, Philippine Navy. Today's ceremony begins with the entrance of the 9th Installation Management Battalion Marching Band under the baton of Technical Sergeant Mario P. Aldecoa, Infantry, Philippine Army. Focus your attention as you witness the entry of troops on the parade ground. Marching forward are the joint guardians of peace and protector of the people in Bicol Region, led by the company commander, Captain Ronnie Y. Lopez, Infantry, Philippine Army, with his executive officer, First Lieutenant J. G. Lumbo, Adjutant General Service, Philippine Army. The company in column formation is composed of the troops belonging to the three major branches of service. Representatives from the Philippine Army led by 2nd Lieutenant Ahmad Itandong, representatives from the Philippine Air Force led by 2nd Lieutenant Felicissimo Jose H. Millado, and the representatives from the Philippine Navy led by Exceed Armando Ives S. Adeba. Now, ladies and gentlemen, passing before you are the equipment and capabilities of the 9th Infantry Spear Division, the K-9 team. The K-9 dogs are used for explosive detection and search rescue operation. The Infantry Squad. Its mission is to close with enemy by means of fire and maneuver, to destroy or capture or repel his assault by fire, close combat, and counter-attack. The designated marksman or Kilisuk. They are an organic part of the fire team and operates together with the main force. They are responsible for providing accurate fires over longer ranges. The 21st Cavalry Company in their armored vehicles. The V-150 Commando with dismounted team. The Commando, an armored fighting vehicle, is a combat vehicle protected by strong armor and General Army Caliber 50, which combines operational mobility, tactical offensive, and defensive capabilities. The Simba Fighting Vehicle or SFV with dismounted team. The mechanized infantry will often fight in conjunction with armored vehicles to form a combined arms team. The Field Artillery. The 105mm howitzer is used to destroy, defeat, or disrupt the enemy with integrated fires to enable maneuver commanders to dominate a unified land operation. The towed mortars are from Charlie Battery, 2nd Field Artillery Battalion. The Emergency Response Company with towed rubber boat. The DRR rubber boat is used for rapid deployment and handling rescue and relief operations, especially during natural disasters. The Emergency Response Company is led by First Lieutenant Adrian D. Lukay, Infantry, Philippine Army. And the Forward Service Medical Company. The FSMC provides second echelon medical care on a direct support basis for the supported infantry division and maneuver brigades. That concludes the Military Pass in Review, brought to you by the men and women of the Joint Task Force Bicolandia. You are our inspiration as we continue to serve the people and secure the Bicol Region. Salamat po sa pagpadangat sa mga kasundaluhan. Diyos mabalos sa sapulong gabos.